Give you a look and see what you're hearing the voice from. Made a crude looking device here. You can figure out what that might be. Hard to tell. That plate there is off of a threshold on a door made out of aluminum. Of course, those ridges give it nice strength there without rolling over. Okay, we got an arch down here and we got a handle. Here's what we're going to use this for. Upstairs I'm doing some work. Got some drywall sheets that are too low and I want to raise them a little bit to seal them at the top, and of course I'm going to put Luan down so that'll help cover the gap. But here's my plan. Put this thing under the edge of that drywall. I can push down on this and raise that drywall up just a little bit and run the screws in. Also, another situation I had here in the garage was when we poured the floor and put the taper in for the drain, we didn't know really where to start the taper, so I decided we'd stay back there at the concrete block foundation. And so the problem I have, these tool chests and toolboxes lean forward. If you pull too many drawers out, the drawers almost want to tend to roll out on their own. Of course, you can see the level up here. When I get done, I'll have that level towards the front, which will help hold the doors shut if you're not, if you walk away. And it's nice to have ball bearing drawers, but they'll actually roll out on their own. So this cabinet down here, of course, I made it so it'd work on this. Got a lot of weight in there, but I have no problem prying down on here with this to raise that up. So I can raise it up. It's got levelers. Toolbox doesn't have levelers, but as you can see, I got some blocks. I'm gonna go ahead and the end on here I got cut just right so it will fit underneath there. It'll raise that up. This cabinet over here is just a cheap microwave cabinet, about $5 on a garage sale. So of course it wouldn't have levelers, but it makes it nice. I can get right underneath the upright point here. Of course you wouldn't do it like that. Okay, I'm going to go in right here, going to raise that up right there. I can get all the pressure on here I need. The other thing I thought this thing would be useful for, bought some of those furniture slides. Well, how do you get the piece of furniture up in the air to get that slide underneath it without emptying it, tipping it over? I believe I should be able to get enough leverage with this to raise it up in order to position those under there and leave them. If it becomes a problem, what I might do is widen this arch right down here that's doing the pivoting, and maybe glue 2 more pieces onto the side of there and make them on the same arch so it won't be able to roll over on you. But for about 20 minutes worth of work and just building it out of some scrap, it'll work pretty good. And if not, you can throw it in the trash. So jobs like this, attack them. Do it yourself, Steve. Out.